Hi, I'm Lekret, the blind vlogger. Today I want to show you the Bradley timepiece, the Bradley element from Eon. Okay, the Bradley Eon timepiece was sent to me in the black box, simple black box. Let's check what is inside. Okay, here is opening. Okay, the second box. Probably here is the text, here is the braille. I think so, I don't know. Here is the barcode, yes. And okay, let's open it, and there is the text in braille. I don't know braille, so I will put it away. Here is the something like that. I think that there is some text. I will check it by my iPhone and then I will continue. I will tell you something about this watch. This watch was created to honor the Bradley Snyder, the American Marine that was the bomb diffuser, and he lost sight in Afghanistan in 2011. And in 2012 he won London Paralympics with swimming. He won 2 or 3 gold medals, I don't remember. And this watch is named to honor him. Below the instructions there are some cover-ups. I don't know how to call it, never mind. And there is the watch. The watch is covered in a plastic cover here. When I remove this cover, the watch should start going on. I check it. I'm wondering that is it on. Let me check. No, he is turned off. I must peel off this cover to make it running. Okay. I peeled off the covers and set the time. What is special in Bradley timepiece from Eon? This watch is for blind people, but it doesn't speak. It shows time by magnetized ball bearings that shows time. This on the face of the watch shows the minutes. Yes, it can be moved freely in the row, but it is magnetized and it snaps on the proper place. And the hour one is placed behind the crown, and it can also be moved freely, yes, and it snaps back to the proper place. It is very nice watch. It is made very well. To be honest, I love it. I love that it don't speak. I have enough things that speaks to me. Yes, I'm blind, but I don't like have everything that's speaking to me. Okay, I will use it by month, and after month I will do some extra review to share with you my feelings about that watch. Thank you for watching.